Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see in the title, I will be doing a what's in my work bag. So as you guys know, I am a CNA slash GNA and I will show you guys my bag. So anyway, oh my god, this bag is so freaking heavy. I got a Ella Tory Burch tote bag, and this is the main reason why I bought this bag, so I can have, I can put some of my stuff, not just some, but most of my work stuff in this bag. So anyway, I know it's way too big. This is like the large, I think this is the large size, but I'll show you guys what's inside. I'm just gonna, wait a minute. Okay, so let's start. This is a laptop bag. I'm using my laptop right now to act as like a screen, but I normally put my laptop here in my laptop bag, and I have my charger here as well, right there. So that's that. I'm just gonna put this inside. The blood pressure cuffs. So I have my blood pressure cuffs. This is the where I normally get my clients or my patients their blood pressure, so I gotta have this in my bag. If you don't know what blood pressure looks like, it's like this right here. I got this at CVS a long time ago when I was in California. Right there, right here. So just gonna put this back. Alright, next one is wallet, and I have my Kate Spade wallet and also my Louis Vuitton wallet, which is, where is this? Louis Vuitton. So I got this wallet, which is the card wallet, and I also got this wallet, which is like the long wallet. But most of the time I just like leave this wallet in the house because I don't really need it anyways, especially I'm just going to work, so I just need my driver's license and my my credit card and debit card and my insurance, medical insurance, and this card holder will hold it for me. And I don't really carry a lot of cash in my in this wallet because I normally put them here. But if I need cash, and if I know I'm going somewhere, like going to get lunch, or if I didn't cook that day, then I have to get lunch, then I bring this with me. So that's that. And then next one is my planner. So this is my 2020 planner. I got this at, I believe, Walmart. I'm not sure. But yeah, this is my 2020 planner, and I normally put everything, I plan my days ahead. And for example, like I'm gonna film on my weekends, I normally write it down. Just for an example, I'm not gonna show you guys like my stuff, because most here is like work stuff related as well. And so just an example, this is like the February. So this is like the planner looks like, and it has like a date, and I'll just like put down what I'm gonna do that day, what time do I go to work that day, such and such. And also there's notes in here, and then if I have to do more extra stuff, then I'll put my notes in here so I remember, because without this planner my life would be not organized. But with this planner, it's pretty much organized by now, and I'm really happy about that. And then okay, next one is, I'm still not kind of organized, but next one is this poetry books. I love reading poetry books. I believe this is like my 4th or 5th book. That's my hair. This is the Empty Bottles Full of Stories. Right there, I got them at Target. And I also have the Milk and Honey. I have like 3 other more poetry books, but yeah, I also read a lot now. Stress. And also this blue book, which is, this is what was my first book that I trying to start bullet journaling, but it's way too small. But I use this notebook as like just like random, if I'm whatchamacallit. Oh, actually I use this book to like to do like what, this was my book before I purchased the planner. This, I normally put here like what video I have to film that day, like fashion ideas, like makeup ideas, like challenges that I didn't even I didn't do. And then so I have like a lot actually. And I'll just like cross them down, and then some notes, and then if I have question regarding on my job, I'll put it here. And oh, like my monthly payments and stuff, so I put it all here in this book. And I got this at the Dollar Tree. This is only $1. The next one is another journal book. This is my new journal book. This is actually was given to my coworker Autumn. Thank you, Autumn, for this one, and I already started it, so I really like it. And then they're heavy, especially with just the books itself. They're heavy too. Next one is, oh my goodness, this is a another journal. I know this is another journal, and I got this at Marshall's right there. I'm just not gonna show you what's inside, but yeah, I have quite a bit now because I started, hold on, when did I start it? This September 30, 2019. So that's when I started doing like journal. That's that. And then the next one is TikTok. I like this, you know, so kind of like stay fresh, like your breath, because you don't want to like talk to your clients or my, you know, my patients and your breath stinks. You don't want that. And then the next one is, I have so much pen and pencil, you guys. So this is like my jobs pencil, not pencil but pen. I'm not gonna show you like the name, but I have these Deons too. I like doing my journal, especially like my planner as well, and I like putting this like color pens. Okay, next one is, it's very tita of me. If you guys know, then you know, white flower from my Filipino people out there, very tita. And the next one is charger, of course, phone charger. And then, hold on, so much stuff. Oh, I also have my own migraine. This was recommended by my friend Clarice. Sometimes I do have that days that for some reason it just hits me like I have a migraine. I don't know, it's just like out of the blue, but I normally just put this in my bag just in case if I have migraine or like headache. I use this on my migraine, and I have Tylenol here actually. Where is that Tylenol? Probably in the other room because I was, oh no, here I also have this Tylenol. This is the extra strength because I have that headache. There's more, like in a week I probably get a terrible headache once in a blue moon too, like once or twice a week. So that's why I you know, like have my Tylenol on my, what's the name of this migraine? Is Excedrin pill. Yeah, it's for migraine. Next one is a snack. Oh my god, so this is the Nature Valley snack protein bar right here, and I actually got two of these. Yeah, I like this, I guess, for like my snack, and it's like a healthy snack as well. So I got two in my bag. I eat them like once a day. And the next one, oh my god, it's like random mails. Yeah, this is just like random mails. I'll have to look at that later. And then gloves. Oh my god, it's cold here. So I got gloves right here. Okay, so now my battery is almost dying. So this is the wet ones. I'm just trying to hurry up before it turns. And I got my Neocell pills. I take them every day, 3 times a day. Actually 2 pills each from morning, lunch, and before I go to bed. This is the Neocell. This is the super collagen for healthy skin, hair, nails, and joint support. I like this. This is my second bottle actually, and so far so good. And the next one is power bank right here. This is actually my cousin's power bank. Hello, Liberty. There's your power bank in there. The next one is pads and tampons. Well, hello. This was when I was having a, you know, period. And then more pens. Jeez, how many pens do I have? So I got more pens. And then what else? Random receipt. I'm just gonna put it here. What else is in here? Okay. Oh, I got this. Everywhere I go, I have my Summer Eve. This is like wipes, you guys. I do use the whatchamacallit, the Huggies wipes. I actually recommend it to my clients as well to use the Huggies wipes. But yeah, this is actually, I also use this. And then what else is here? So I have my AirPods as well. my earpods and my lip balm from Bursley's, and my key holder, which is the Louis Vuitton key holder right there for my key. And then I have a lotion, hand lotion. This is the Love and Beauty Planet hand lotion. I like this, especially it's really dry, like winter time is making my hand dry, and I like you know, using this. Next one is a sanitizer here from Bath and Body Works, some blotting sheets paper from Elf, and then I have a lip tint from Vice Cosmetics, and then I'm just trying to hurry up, random cash and some coins. So that's really it, you guys. That's all in my bag. It's empty now. There's like just this card from my Christmas card and random notes and a band-aid. So that's all in my bag. All in my bag, you guys. I hope you like this video, and also I'm gonna do more CNA type of video, like work related video, because you guys have been requesting a lot ever since I put that CNA day in my life. And thank you so much, you guys, for liking the video and also subscribing if you guys are new here. Hi, my name is Glenn, and yes, like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'm gonna see you guys soon on my next one. Bye.